I will take your attendance. If you hear your name, say present, miss. Okay? Okay. Tiara Fendi.
Present, miss.
Dina.
Present.
Okay. Cynthia Maisuki.
Present.
Alfa Helu.
Present.
Okay. So, are you ready for study today?
Yes.
Okay, before we start our class today, let's say basmalah together. Okay, so Miss have an interesting picture to you. This one. Look at this picture.
Wow.
Okay. What you see in this picture?
Two people. Boy and girl.
Yes. What are they doing in this picture?
They friends.
What are they doing in this picture?
Drawing. Writing.
Anything else? Yeah.
Borrowing.
Yes, borrowing.
Going.
Yeah, that's correct. Okay. What you should say if you want to borrow someone things?
Can I borrow? May I?
Yes, that's correct. Anything else?
Can I get your pens?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. All of you answer is correct. And then before we want to borrow our friends something, we have to ask him for permissions. And this asking permission for and then before we want to borrow our friends something, we have to ask him for permissions. So asking permission. That is what we have to. That is we wanna learn today. Asking permissions. Yes. So asking permissions means asking for someone for permission to do something. Asking permission in Indonesia means meminta izin. Okay. So in this class today, we have. I want you to understand ungkapan-ungkapan dari asking permission, and then meminta izin dengan polite, dengan sopan, menggunakan asking permission, and then the last one is you have to practice with dialogue, with your own dialogue in front of class. Okay. So Miss have some ungkapan-ungkapan from asking permission. Okay. What we have learned today is three. Is may I, could I, and can I. And then receiving helpnya itu ada yes you can, yes you could, yes you may, of course, sure, and no problem. Okay, you can see here. See here. Yeah, I did for you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, so yeah. Okay, so Miss have some dialogue about asking permission. Who want to practice this dialogue with Miss?
Me.
Okay, so that's okay. Okay. See this dialogue? Yeah. Okay. Me as a teacher and you as a student. Okay. Excuse me, Tia.
Yes, ma'am.
Could I borrow your pencil for a moment, please?
Of course, ma'am. Here you are.
Thank you. I needed to write something on the board.
No problem, ma'am.
I will return it after the lesson.
That's okay, ma'am.
Thank you very much, Tia.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's give applause for Cynthia. That's the one example that we have. We want to borrow someone things. Tadi yang di dialognya itu, we want to borrow. Miss wanna borrow Tia what? Pencil. Yes, pencil. Yeah. In this dialogue, Miss use what ungkapan? Yes, good eye. Iya, dialog tadi good eye ya. Oke, jadi ketika ingin dialogue before that I practiced with Cynthia, but in different situations.
Okay.
Okay, this situation I did berpasangan ya sama nanti kan yang I did Alfa tidak masuk jadi nanti satunya berpasangan sama Miss. Ya, saja. Oke, ini yang dia punya toilet sama yang Oke, Miss kasih waktu 3 menit untuk membuat dialognya. Oke, okay. Write your dialogue sesuai dengan my picture yang ada. Bisa
Miss, I wanna ask.
Yes.
In English, bahasa Inggrisnya macet apa, Miss?
Traffic.
Okay, Miss, thank you.
If you don't understand, just ask Miss. Okay, how about group 2?
We are okay, Miss. There's no problem.
Yes. Okay. If you don't understand, just ask Miss. If you're done, you can say you're done, and then you can practice in front of class. Tiara done? Okay, maybe Tiara with Miss and practice the dialogue first before group 2, okay? Group 2, are you done too?
Yeah.
Okay, let's.
Excuse me, Miss.
Okay, there's okay. Yes, what happened?
I'm sorry, I'm late because of the traffic. May I come in?
That's okay. Please come in and join the lesson.
Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Please take your seat. Thank you. Give applause for Tiara. Okay, before that, Tiara, what do you use? May I, could I, or can I?
May I?
Why do you use may I?
Because may I is polite words.
Okay,
Yes,
this is one, yeah. Because it's between students with
teacher.
teacher. Okay, so you have to use may I.
Yeah.
Okay, untuk receiving helpnya apa?
That's okay.
That's okay. Good. Nice. Okay, next. Cynthia and Dina. Okay,
Excuse me, Miss. Yes. May I go to the toilet, please? Yes, of course. Are you feeling okay? Yes, I feel just need to go to the toilet. Oh, alright, you may go. Thank you, Miss. You're welcome.
give applause. Okay, group 2. Okay, let's sit first. Okay, group 2 menggunakan ungkapan apa?
May I?
May I. Why you use may I?
May I is polite word when
Okay.
you ask information to your teacher. To someone that older than you.
Yes, that's correct. Someone that older to you. And then the receiving helpnya apa?
You may go.
You may go. Okay, that's good. Applause. Okay. So did you understand what we learned today?
Yes. I have a question.
Yes, you can ask.
What the difference of may and could?
Oke, kalau dari semuanya itu ya, kalau untuk can I itu dia formal, non formal, jadi dia biasa saja. Kalau could I itu dia lebih formal, sedangkan may I itu dia paling formal. Jadi kalau could I dan may I itu bisa sama-sama digunakan for a teacher or your parents. But if you wanna be more polite, you can use may I. Okay. So what we learn today is asking permission. So Miss hope that you can use the three asking permission, ungkapan asking permission ini in your daily situation. So we have three asking permission. What is that?
May I.
Okay. And then receiving helps-nya ada apa saja?
Yes, please. No problem.
Yes. Yes, you can.
Yes, you can. No problem, right?
Rejecting?
Bukan itu serius.
No problem. It's okay. No problem. Yes. Ya, boleh. Belum sudah.
Sudah harus Pak.
Oke. Untuk receiving helps-nya ada apa saja?
No problem.
Sure.
It's okay. Yes, please. That's okay.
Okay, that's right. So, before we end our class, Miss have homework for you. So, tugasnya itu adalah, jadi di rumah you make your own dialogue like you do in this class, but in different situation. Jadi situasi yang we learn tadi itu jangan dipakai lagi. Meminjam pensil, and then go to the toilet, sambil masuk ke kelas. Nah, tiga situasi itu jangan dipakai. You have to search different situation, okay? And then untuk ungkapan asking permission-nya tetap menggunakan with I, can I dan with I, tapi untuk receiving helps itu tidak pakai receiving helps, tapi pakai refusing answer. Jadi pakai yang menolak. You have to search in your book or something that you can found the refusing word or refusing answer for your dialogue. Jadi jangan menggunakan yes, tapi harus dengan menolak. Oke? Understand?
Understand.
Okay. Okay, for conclusion, who want to make a conclusion for this lesson today? Cynthia?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
In this meeting, I understand about asking permission. Asking permission have may I, could I, and can I. May I and could I in verbal situation, and like we talking with teacher, with my parents, and then can I we use like with friend, with someone like that, maybe.
Okay, that's all. Okay. Thank you for Cynthia for giving the conclusion in this lesson today. And don't forget, if you use asking permission, that means you are a polite person. Okay, so that's all for our class today. Don't forget the homework, and then don't forget the. No. Okay, that's all for this learn today, for this video today. Don't forget the homework, and then let's say for end this class by saying hamdalah.